Oh, okay guys, we have a whole new rat battle. They're back, but not at my house, at another house. So I'm gonna show you my new style rat poison feeder slash hopper thingy. So let's get into it. Hey, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm gonna show you how to build the ultimate rat poison feeder out of PVC pipe, PVC tees, and PVC caps. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut out the PVC. So let's get started. So I don't know if you remember, but this was my first version of the rat poison feeder. And I would have to zip tie it in place, and then I would force the food into the sides, which it didn't hold very much, and it was really hard to get the food into without making a mess. And that's why we're improving it. You're gonna like this design way much better. So let's get it done. So I got all my parts cut. So what I'm gonna do now is show you how I assemble this bait trap. And here's all the parts you're gonna need. Your cuts of pipe, a T, and a cap. And all you do is you shove this in. No need to glue it, because you might wanna change it in the future. Like this, to where before I had just a pipe and I was trying to stuff the food in from the side. This way, you get a reservoir and an easy way to fill, because now instead of trying to shove the food in the side, you can just take the cap off and dump it in the top and fill it however high you want, because as they take it, it'll drop down. Wish I'd done that sooner. So I got them all made up. Time to install them, and then we'll fill them. And the installation is done, son. You can see we have tie wraps at the top to keep it from falling over. Tie wraps on each side on this gate. Now all we have to do is pop off this cap. Wrong cap. We're gonna take this cap off, and I have two hands, and we're gonna fill it up. And now this is the part that makes it all worth it if we make it work. Ceramic green. There it is, right there. That's everything you need. So what I do is I just take a water bottle, cut the top off, and I will fill it up. Probably should use gloves for this. And just put one of these into each trap. Let's get that done.
Well, life has nearly killed me, and my mind is putting me on the edge. Life has nearly killed me, and my mind is putting me on the edge. Oh, I can barely crawl. I've got to walk where these angels.
Oh yeah. There you have it, set and baited, ready for action. Now the traps are designed the way they are in a 2-inch PVC, so the rodents can get inside, but dogs and cats cannot access the poison. And with this design, before I was trying to shove the food in from the side with a stick, and it was messy and taking forever. If you saw my previous video, that's when I came up with the idea to add the T and make a hopper. Worked out awesome. So that's it for this little video. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.